Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 2093 Mykola Road in Walworth.
This is a picture-perfect newer ranch in a nature's paradise.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour. This is amazing for entertaining with an open floor plan. Featuring a designer kitchen with beautiful cabinetry, a tile backsplash, quartz countertops, and a breakfast bar. Overlooking the dining area with a boxed window. And spacious living area with recessed lighting, transom windows, and access to the enclosed porch with a wall of windows with breathtaking nature views.
Relax and unwind in this nature view primary bedroom suite with an expansive walk-in closet and gorgeous bathroom. In addition, a second bedroom with an adjacent full bathroom and a convenient office or potential third bedroom, plus a first floor laundry.
Enjoy phenomenal extra space in this partially finished lower level, with an expansive bonus room with an egress window and an adjacent full bathroom, plus excellent storage, a great potential bedroom or in-law suite.
The quality construction and architectural details are just amazing and is evident in the details.
Enjoy listening to the birds sing from this private maintenance-free deck with access to the sunroom, all overlooking the manicured lawn and private woods. What a relaxing place.
This property is within the cottages that have access to walking trails and the scenic pond. What a nature paradise to enjoy. Just east of Penfield, this property has an excellent location. Nearby everything you need. From Wegmans, Target Store, Eastside Y, restaurants and shops. What a great location.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing. Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 2093 Mykola Road in Walworth.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here.